This is a great seeder. I think it's important to use quality seed, but also use quality seeder. You get what you pay for. Investing in quality products makes a big difference. And the closeness of the seeding here with the close spacing, but also how you can control the depth is going to make a big difference in your germination. The seed-soil contact makes a big difference in getting that germination. You want to invest in quality seed. You're spending that time, you're going to want to make sure you get germination in your lawn or in your sports turf. And it makes a big difference. You have one opportunity to make a first impression, and in using quality products and getting the good results makes a big difference. Not only is the depth control and the spacing going to give you a healthy, tight-knit turf when it comes in, but the hydrostatic control is great. It's easy maneuverability, and the thumb control for reversing is so easy to use and ergonomic. It makes it really easy to maneuver around beds and reverse. It's really comfortable to use, and it makes a big difference. When you're operating a machine for a long time, you can get worn out, and the machine is comfortable to use, and that makes a big difference.